Hi everyone, we're going to make a dangly pair of ear wires today. And we're going to use ball pins and eye pins. And this is sort of like for beginners. So let's get started. And you'll need a pair of round nose. And if you don't have steel wires like I do, you can use these for cutters. But if you have steel wires like I do, you're going to use the memory wire cutters so you don't mess up your cutters. So let's get started. Alright, I don't have all the same color beads, but I've got some of them. I mean, they're about the same. Oh, I just dropped it. Alright, we'll put it on the ball pin. And then we're going to cut it about a ½ inch. Maybe just a hair less than a ½ inch. And these are steel, that's why I'm using the memory wire cutters. Then I'm going to take it, roll it back. And just don't get too close to your bead there with your pliers, because you can break these beads. They're not like metal, and they're not forgiving. They'll take a little abuse, but if you get too close to them, you're going to break them. Then put our other one on. Cut it. Just don't pinch your fingers. And then we'll take our round nose. Hold the bottom back, bend it back a little bit, and then we'll start rolling around the plier. There. Then, take our eye pins, and you'll need a pair of chain nose pliers for these. So they have no teeth in them. And I got these from Beige Smith. Open it up, you just twist it. Hang that on. And you twist it back. Take the other one. Twist it open. And twist it back. I can't remember which one I did. I did one without putting these on first, and I ran into problems, so that's why I put them on now. And I don't remember what it was, but I ran into an issue putting them on, and that is a little, I'd say about a 4mm. It might be 6. But I don't think so. If it's anything, it's 4 or 5. Put the spacer on. These are two-tone right here. I can find where the hole is. One side's gold, one side's a cream color. And then we'll put a smaller spacer on this one. And this is like a little barrel, like 4mm. So we're going to do the same thing to this one. We're going to get our little one, our spacer, and if I can find the hole, there it is. And then our other spacer, then that. take it, and then this is the steel. It doesn't bend well, so take it and we'll use our cutters and make sure it's all the way down to the bottom. Put your finger over it so you don't shoot it across the room, because you don't want little feet to step on it. Or big feet, rather. But either way, you don't want anybody to step on it. Cut it. And just drop it down there. Now, you'll take your round nose. Hope you can still see. And roll it around. Might have to find that fly I let into the house. I think I let it in whenever I brought my plants in. I'm shooting all my earring videos today. Well, a couple of them anyway, so you might have heard me say something about a fly. But yeah, I brought my plants in so they didn't freeze, and I brought a fly in with me. I don't know if he was in the plant. He probably was. I guess he didn't want to freeze either, so he said, I'm coming in the house. So I'm going to have to find him and let him out or something. All right. There we go. And now we take our chain nose. And these open on the back. Now, I do have some that open on the front, and I have some that this part is laying like that. So it all depends on who made it. So we twist it open, hang it on. And if you have flimsy wire, there's other videos of me doing a wrap, so you can see how to do a wrap there. And get it really tight up against the other wire. That way you don't lose your earring. Twist it open. You're holding the bead while you're doing it. Put it on. Twist it back. Make sure it's made contact with that there. And then just let it go. And there we go. There's a simple pair of earrings. And it's so simple that pretty much anyone can do it. I'm not saying everyone can do it, but I'm saying pretty much everyone. As long as you have the tools and the patience, and you can learn how to do this. And this is, you know, I put a few little small, easy videos up so people can try their hand at it if they don't know what, you know, if they've never done it before, they can at least get their feet wet. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. And bye-bye.